Hello, to set alarm clock on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active, first of all you have to swipe up to your application lists and look for alarm application. You go in here and simply have to press this little plus, and here you can simply set the time precisely for your alarm. Simply press the continue. Here you can select if you want to repeat your alarm, and what is this? Let your band within 10 minutes. You can turn on the smart wake, which basically lets your band to and right here you can turn on the smart wake, which basically lets your band choose within a 10-minute window before your alarm wake you up. So basically you next press this icon, and right here we have the alarm setup. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.